Alright, welcome back, my friends. This is a review of the future tense that we're going to cover in this level. And in this level, we have two forms that we need to practice and master. We will be using will and be going to make sentences in the future tense. Starting with will, we use will to talk about future events, things that will happen, things that happen in the future. When we use will, we need to use a second verb, and the second verb is always the base form. Now, don't be confused. Base form means the root of the verb. You can also call it the infinitive. And in the dictionary, you'll see this written as INF. That's short for infinitive. So don't be confused by that. It just means the basic form of the verb. So, for example, play, run, see, jump, drink, throw. And when we add will, it's will jump, will run, will throw, will play. And that's not a difficult thing to do. So just remember that. This is what your sentence will look like grammatically. You'll have the subject of the sentence plus will plus the root verb plus the object of the sentence and then a time marker. So, for example, Hamda will buy a new car next year. Hamda is the subject, and then we have will, and then buy is our root verb. The object is a new car. The time marker is next year. We will go out for dinner tonight. We will go out for dinner tonight. And there you can see I've just highlighted the parts for you and broken it down. You can see that there's the subject, there's will, the root verb, the object, and the time marker. Now, the negative form of will is will not or won't. They both mean the same thing. You can swap them in and out. You can use whichever one you want. Just watch the spelling on won't and don't forget about that apostrophe. W-O-N apostrophe T. Be careful when you're typing. So I won't fail the midterm exam next week. I will not forget to study tonight. They won't go out racing cars tonight. I should change that one to something else. That's okay for now. But you can see the same construction. The subject, will not, root verb, object, and the time marker. Now, be going to is a little bit different because it's be verb. It's the be verb, and we need to change that. So remember, your be verb is I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. And that's how we're going to construct those sentences. So we use this to talk about the future. It's used when we have a definite plan. So something is absolutely going to happen. Here's our sentence construction. It's subject plus be verb plus going to, plus the infinitive, plus the object, plus the time marker. So, for example, I am going to travel to India next month. My subject is I. I'm using the be verb, I am, plus going to, plus an infinitive verb, travel. My object is to India. My time marker is next month. I am going to travel to India next month. I already bought a ticket. I have a ticket. It is going to happen It is absolutely going to happen. I bought the ticket. This is my plan, my definite plan. There's my construction. She is going to visit her grandparents because they are not well. Her grandparents are sick. She is going to visit them. We are going to have a party next week. We have invited many friends. Now, this is an interesting one. So, we are going to have a party next week is the future. We have invited many friends is the past. So, it's going to happen. The invitations have gone out. The friends are coming. There is going to be a party. Now, she is going to visit her grandparents. That sentence didn't have a time marker. You don't have to have a time marker, but it does help. It does help. She is going to visit her grandparents on the weekend. There's my time marker there. So please continue and finish the activities in the nearpod that this will be connected to, and keep writing, and good luck.